Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Really?
Yes.
I am in my house.
Grab him.
Are you serious?
On April 9th, 2022, officers responded to reports of a woman bothering an Uber driver.
How you doing?
Good.
What's going on today?
Come on.
I'm not gonna come up on the porch.
Oh, bye-bye. Good time. Come on.
What's going on today?
Nothing.
So why did we get called?
I have no idea.
Okay. So the caller stated that you were intoxicated in the rear of his vehicle. He wanted you to exit the vehicle, and now you've left your purse in there.
I have no idea. Alright, I'm a mother.
Okay.
I'm gonna tell you something right now. I'm a mother. I'm a grandma.
Okay.
I have everything. What do you want?
Okay.
Kill
Why is your purse in
somebody?
this gentleman's car?
I have no idea.
Okay. Did you leave it there?
Nope.
Did you get in this vehicle?
Nope.
So why is he saying you were in the back seat?
I have no idea.
Okay. Is this your purse?
Yeah, that one?
Yeah.
I have that, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I have that, please?
I just said yes, ma'am.
Bring it to me. That's awesome.
Hey, so is there anyone else in
Hey,
the
I'm
house?
Patty. No, I'm gonna tell you my name and I'm gonna tell you exactly what's going on.
So the driver was
And
just concerned
you
about
should
you.
really know.
The driver was concerned about
I
you.
don't
and
give
the-
a what you say.
Do you need anything? Do you live here? Do you live here? Do you live here?
I do not answer to you.
The officer asked politely, but she was too drunk to answer any questions. The officer had to arrest her.
What is your
Shut your mouth.
If you do this,
Shut your
do
mouth.
this, we're gonna
Shut your mouth.
Do you want to
Shut
be detained?
your mouth.
Do you want to be detained?
Shut your mouth.
I'm gonna put her in handcuffs.
Shut your mouth. Shut your.
Stand up.
Really?
Yes.
I am in my house.
Grab him.
Stand up.
Are you serious?
Yep.
I am in my house. I am in my house.
Okay. So relax. You're gonna give this officer your name. We're gonna verify that this is your address. And
I
then we're
am
gonna
in
get
my
out of here.
house. I am in my house.
You're outside on a porch right
I
now.
cannot wait. I cannot wait till you do this.
Okay.
John!
Hey,
John!
stop yelling.
John!
Relax.
Sit down.
God.
Listen. Hey. We listen to what we have to say. Listen. We do not want to stay here any longer than we need to.
Really? I live here.
We are trying to leave.
I live
but
here.
We need you to cooperate
I
with us.
live here.
And where is here?
I live here. John!
Hey, the easiest way for us to get out of here. The easiest.
Grab her.
Ah!
She's got an ID in there.
Yeah, I live here. You cannot. You cannot.
Stop.
Go into my house. You cannot.
I'm
We're
trying
not
to
going
find
in
an
your
ID
house.
because
You
don't
cannot.
Tell me what your name is.
I am a. Get the.
Stop.
Get.
Not gonna fight.
Yes, I will.
Stop.
Yes, I will.
No ID? Alright. Put her stuff back in her purse. We're gonna get her up, take her to a patrol car.
Hold on. It was just.
5'5", one white female, 1095.
Get the off of
That's
me.
not gonna happen.
Really?
This is her address here.
You have no idea. Wait till you see who I am. Ah! Let's go. I'm gonna make you drag me. Drag me.
Alright, that's fine.
Yeah. Drag me. Drag me.
Get in the car.
No, I'm not going.
Yes.
Yeah,
You're under arrest.
Really?
Yep.
Do it.
Alright. Alright.
The officer called EMS and explained the situation to his superior regarding the Uber driver call.
I got EMS coming to check you over. Check us over, and I got a supervisor en route. I'll be here in 10 minutes. You didn't see her in the call?
No, I'm logging in the driver of that vehicle.
Yeah, what did he say?
He said that she had gotten in the car and that she was being drunk and disorderly in the back of the car. He's an Uber driver.
Okay.
That she was being disorderly in the back of the car. I didn't ask if he was picking or dropping her off. She started rubbing up on him and he said, you know, you need to get out of my vehicle. Enough is enough. She refused to get out, and then she got out of the car and she wouldn't come pick up her bag. And then went and sat on the porch. And so he wanted to make sure that he was doing everything correctly. That's why he called police.
Sounds simple enough.
So,
Disorderly conduct all day long.
Yeah.
So,
She hurt?
no.
You hurt?
No.
Cool. Hey, ma'am,
Tell
how
me
you doing?
stop. You
Ma'am.
tell me stop.
Ma'am.
Off. Fuck.
Ma'am,
Hey.
can you talk to me for a second?
Please. I died. Please let me out. Please.
Okay, listen. Can you talk to me and tell me what happened? What's going on?
Let me out. Let me out. Let me out.
Are you
let
going to
me
talk to
out.
me, ma'am?
Are you serious?
Yes.
Let me out.
All right.
He's my supervisor.
I need to
I
talk to
don't
you.
give a who you are. Let me out.
Okay. All right.
Let me out.
Watch your foot.
Hold on, let me get her shoe on.
Are you serious? Let me out. Let me out.
Watch your
let me
foot,
out.
ma'am.
Get your foot inside.
Let me out.
Watch your foot.
Let me out.
She faced charges for harassing an Uber driver.